So hello guys, how are you guys doing today? So today I got another news for you guys. So as you can see, it is 30 degrees Celsius for Regina, and it is gonna get hotter on Wednesday and Thursday because as you can see it's gonna go up to 32 and 34, plus overnight lows are also gonna go in 21. So there might be a heat warning issued for Regina because it's also in Saskatchewan and Moose Jaw. It's also in Moose Jaw too, because it's in southern Saskatchewan. So before it was in northern Saskatchewan. Now it's in southern Saskatchewan, so I'm gonna read it to you. So it said last updated 9 minutes ago, and now it's in southern Saskatchewan. And as we can see, the affected area, it is in an inch away from Regina. So I'm gonna go in Google Maps and I'm gonna show you guys. So as you guys can see, it is an inch away from Regina because it's in Moose Jaw. So I'm gonna read the description. And an extended period of extreme heat continues over southern Saskatchewan with highs reaching 32 degrees Celsius and overnight lows near 16 degrees Celsius. These extreme temperatures will persist through the week before temperatures cool slightly. Over the weekend, extreme heat can affect everyone's health. The health risks are greater for older adults, infants and young children, pregnant people, people with physical and or mental illnesses, and people with disabilities or mobility issues. Watch for the effects of heat illness, swelling, rash, cramps, fainting, heat exhaustion, heat stroke, and the worsening of some health conditions. Heat warnings are issued when very high temperature or humidity conditions are expected to pose an elevated risk of heat illnesses, such as heat stroke or heat exhaustion. Please call Healthline 811 for advice on health risks, symptoms, and precautions associated with heat. And recommended actions are, plus there are in northern Saskatchewan, in some boreal forest regions in Saskatchewan, there were some wildfires because of the hot weather, plus that caused special weather statement to in effect for Saskatchewan. So yeah, whenever you're gonna go outside, you're gonna smell like it's gonna smell like smoke everywhere. Plus it's gonna be foggy, smoky everywhere. Recommended actions are drink plenty of water regularly, even before you feel thirsty, to decrease your risk of dehydration. Thirst is not a good indicator of dehydration. If you are in an overheated area, seek a cool place such as a tree-shaded area, splash pad, misting station, or air-conditioned spot like a public building. Limit so yeah, I accidentally paused the video. So yeah, limit direct sun exposure. Shade yourself by wearing a wide-brimmed, breathable hat and or an umbrella. Never leave people, particularly children or pets, inside a parked vehicle. Watch for early signs of heat illness, feeling unwell, fatigue, thirst, headache, as this can rapidly evolve into life-threatening emergencies. Move to a cooler environment immediately, such as a shaded or air-conditioned space. Keep your house cool. Turn on your air conditioning if possible. Block the sun by closing curtains or blinds, or relocate to a cooler location such as a basement or public cooling center. All workers should take regularly scheduled breaks in a cool or shaded space. And yeah, what is a heat warning? A heat warning is issued when the humid exposure is expected to reach 40 degrees Celsius or more, or when the temperature is expected to reach levels ranging from 29 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius or greater, depending on your location. So yeah, as I forgot to tell you guys that in northern Saskatchewan, so yeah, places like La Ronge and La Loc are in northern Saskatchewan. So yeah, heat warning is in northern Saskatchewan. Plus now it has expanded into southern Saskatchewan now, such as Saskatoon is in southern Saskatchewan, such as Moose Jaw is in southern Saskatchewan, and such as, I'm gonna check if Estevan or Weyburn, both of these places are also in heat warning. Estevan is not included in the warning. What about Weyburn? Also not Weyburn, but same for Regina. But since the heat warning is in Moose Jaw, it's not like a thunderstorm watch that the warning or watch is gonna go away in the evening or overnight. This warning, like heat warning, is gonna stay in place for at least 2 or 3 days, and then it's gonna leave the place. So yeah, as we can see the affected area, as you can see my blue location. So yeah, the blue circle is my location. I'm in Regina. So yeah, as you can see, Regina is clearly touching the red line, and it might come in Regina. Plus, as I showed you the temperature, I'm gonna show you the temperature again after this. So yeah, as you can see, that's my location, and the red line is only an inch away. So yeah, look, it has almost covered Regina Beach. It has almost covered Regina Beach. So I'm gonna check the weather for Regina Beach. So yeah. So Regina Beach is not in the warning, but it has covered a little bit, half of Regina Beach. So it might be hot when you go over there for a picnic or whatever it is, but heat warning is in place. So heat warning is in place for both northern Saskatchewan and southern Saskatchewan. So 4 hours ago, SAS weather heat warnings in effect issued by CTV News Regina. So yeah, many parts of Saskatchewan are under a heat warning on Tuesday. Yeah, today's Tuesday, July 9th morning. According to Environment and Climate Change Canada, heat warnings issued when high temperatures or humidity pose a risk of heat illness are in effect for northern and central Saskatchewan as well as southwest parts of the province, as I told you earlier. So yeah, in the southwest communities such as Swift Current, Unity, Maple Creek, Easton, Maple Creek, and several others are currently under warnings. So hold up, guys. So I just wanted to remove the ad. All right, so Prince Albert, Nepean, as well as many northern communities are also affected. While exact temperatures vary from region to region, residents can expect highs from 32 to 34 degrees Celsius, with overnight lows ranging from the mid-teens to the low 20s. Extreme temperatures began on Tuesday and will continue throughout the week, the warning said. As of Tuesday morning, heat warnings are in effect for many parts of Saskatchewan. According to ECCC, extreme heat can affect everyone's health, but health risks are greater for older adults, infants and young children, pregnant people, people with physical or mental illness, and people with disabilities or mobility issues. That is what the warning said. ECCC advises people to drink plenty of water to decrease the risk of dehydration and to check on older families and friends. Those working outside should limit direct sun exposure and take plenty of breaks. So yeah. Alright, so bye guys.